Hi friends, this video shows how to use a external flashlight with mirrorless camera. In this video, I will be using this Canon R50 mirrorless camera. So here you can see the port where we need to connect flashlight. Let me remove this cap. So this is a port. This is a new port, multifunction port. We cannot directly connect old accessory on this port. We need an adapter. In this video, I will be using this Godox TTL TT350C flashlight. So let me check the pins of this flashlight. Let me go to the bottom. See, here we can see 5 pins, 5 horseshoe pins. As I said, we cannot directly connect this flashlight on Canon R50 mirrorless camera because R50 mirrorless camera does not have this port to connect these 5 horseshoe pins. That is the reason. So we need an adapter. This is the adapter which we need, multifunction shoe adapter ADE1. So we need to connect this adapter on top of the R50 mirrorless camera. Then on top of this adapter we can connect flashlight. See, on top of this adapter we can see 5 horseshoe pins. That means we can connect that Godox TTL flashlight on this adapter. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.